In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Outplay TV not capturing friends' Discord voice. Now, this is really frustrating, especially if you like playing multiplayer games. To fix this, it's really going to be really simple. Just head over to the Outplay application right here, making sure that you have updated the application to the latest version. Inside this page, navigate through setting, and then you want to navigate through the capture option. In here, just head over to audio, and you want to make sure that the first option, which is going to be the capture system sound, is enabled. In here, you want to make sure to select the right speaker because this is where the audio will be coming from. So in our case, it's going to be the main speaker. From there, head over to the bottom settings, and then for the capture mic, you also want to select the right microphone so it will capture our voice also. But if you don't want to, you can then disable this option. Click on the advanced option, and you want to make sure to disable this specific option, which is for the system sound captures only the game. Now, if you enable this option, basically if you play something like Stardew Valley or Counter-Strike, it will only capture the sound for Counter-Strike and not the other application including Discord. So you want to make sure to disable this option. From there, after making this few changes, you will be able to fix your problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.